What's going on, guys? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. Quick video here. We do have an update for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I'm going to show you real quick some of the fixes. And if you try to update your phone right now, it probably nothing will show up. But the update is OxygenOS 9.5.9. Currently, the latest one that's out prior to that one is 9.5.9. So I'll go ahead and show you what we have. As far as, you see the update here. Here it is, OxygenOS 9.5.9 for the OnePlus. And here is the changelog right here. It says system, improved touch sensitivity, greater performance, smooth visual effects, optimize, haptic feedback, keyboard. They did a whole bunch of stuff here. We also have added face unlock assistive lighting. And you go to face unlock, and then it has assisted lighting. I don't know what that is. We'll check that out here in a minute. And increased sound enhancement for the Bullets Wireless 2, which I have those. Those are real nice. Dolby Atmos, ear adjustment, voice over LTE for the SE. I don't know what that is. Bug fixes, and then we have some camera improvement. Here's the biggest one right here. Camera improved the performance of the camera mode while switching from front to back. So that's pretty cool. And we have improved speed of autofocus. And so, okay, so they still don't have, I don't see on here, video recording with the wide angle. I don't think it's on here yet, but I'll have to test that out. But let me show you anyways. Here's the update. It just came out today. 5 hours ago, this is posted. If you go to your update right now and you check, it probably will not update. I mean, you could probably use a VPN, but what I did was I went ahead and used this one here called, where is it at? Right here, OnePlus Updater. I installed this from the Google Play Store. It is free. And basically you tap on update and it will search for the latest update, and it did for me. I didn't have to use no VPN or anything like that. And you can see here, this is all the what I just read, basically all the stuff that has been updated. And once you download it, you can go ahead and exit out of this application. Then you go back to your settings and you scroll all the way down to system and scroll all the way down to system update. And once you're in here, you hit this little gear icon and you're going to do local upgrade, and it's going to show up right in here, and you just tap on it and install it. Simple as that. It's pretty easy. It took maybe 3 minutes to install on my phone. So yeah, so let me see. Now I'll go to settings real quick again. Go back here, back. Go here. About phone, and you'll see it in here. Oxygen 9.5.9, and then Android version 9, and then the June 1st security patch. So yeah, there it is right there. I'll go ahead and breeze through it. I'll mess with it for a little while, and I'll probably come back with another video. Let you know how they did with the cameras, because I know they updated the cameras. I just want to test it out. Yeah, that's it for this video. Drop a comment. Let me know if you updated. We out.